What colors can be mixed to make white?
When it comes to mixing colors, there are primary colors and secondary colors. Primary colors are the three colors that cannot be created by mixing other colors. These colors are red, blue, and yellow.
Additive color mixing.
Additive color mixing refers to mixing colored light. When we mix all the colors of light together, we get white light. This is because white light contains all the colors of the visible spectrum. In additive color mixing, red, green, and blue are the primary colors. When these colors are mixed together in equal amounts, they produce white light. This is why electronic screens use RGB color model.
Subtractive color mixing.
Subtractive color mixing, on the other hand, refers to mixing colored pigments, paints, or dyes. When we mix all the colors of pigment together, we get a muddy brown or black color, not white. This is because the pigments absorb light and reflect only some of it, creating a darker color. In subtractive color mixing, the primary colors are cyan, magenta, and yellow. When these colors are mixed together in equal amounts, they produce a muddy brown color, not white.
Using complementary colors.
One way to create white in subtractive color mixing is to use complementary colors. Complementary colors are pairs of colors that, when mixed together, produce a neutral gray or white. The complementary color to a primary color is the mixture of the other two primary colors. For example, the complementary color to blue is a mixture of red and green. This creates a neutral gray or white color. In conclusion, when mixing colors through additive color mixing, red, green, and blue create white light. In subtractive color mixing, a combination of complementary colors can create white. Remember, when it comes to mixing pigments, the primary colors are cyan, magenta, and yellow, and when these colors are mixed together, they produce a muddy brown color, not white.